Okay, back on Gimp, and I want to look at these 3D lines I made up. Let's have a look. I'll show you the documents first. Okay, 3D lines. I've been messing around with 3D lines and gradients. I was wondering what to use them with, and I found they looked quite good on gradient backgrounds. So 27 lines made up. Let's go back to Gimp and take a look at them. Open. Okay, so have a look at the first one. I'm opening that. And there we are. Lovely 3D lines with a layer of transparency. So I can put a background on and layer that on top. I really like that. Love that. The green coming out at you. So let's discard that. Now take a look at what else is on this kit. So I've got 27 lines and I've got 246 gradients I made up. I can show you them better by going to documents, and they're all here. Fantastic gradients. So what could go with that number one? That's, bearing in mind, that's green. So let's try a few greens. So I'm going to try this one, Easy Med. So go back to Gimp. I'll look for that. They're all named, so that makes it easier. There we are, Easy Med. JPEG. Let's see how that works. Open that. No, sorry. Not opening. Opening as layers. A layer of transparency on top. I'm going to open as layer. Backup number one. They're all on the same file, just to make it a bit easier. Not bad at all. Especially that coming out there. And you see that works really well. Okay, let's try some more. What else could we use? Go back up. So number 5. This was a particularly good one. It's one of my favourites. Nice dark red. It's not coming up. Loading errors. And there it is. There's the image shown. That's gorgeous. So let's go back over to Gimp. Open. And there's one alive. We need to put this on because it was a sort of a reddish. Yeah, that'll work. open as layers. And it was number 5. Oh. So I need to scale that down, scale that layer down, scale layer, and try that. Looking much better. It's quite nice. Scale it down just a touch more. Looking absolutely lovely, that is. What lovely images these make. 3D lines with gradient backgrounds. So that's the kit I made up. Discard that one. And I think they look great. Okay, let's look at a lighter one. What's this one? Number 8. This one got white in it. Okay. Some might suit a lighter background. Right, let's try that. So I'm looking for a lighter background. Seem to find the colour. Colours of Sky, that was a very light one. Yeah, let's try that. File, open as layers. And that was number 8. Yep. Oh, that's lovely. Lovely again. So you see how this works. Discard those and back on here. What else can I try? Oh, well, this is sort of a purpley one. Let's try that on Gimp. Purpley light one, I believe. Let's try. Can preview it. They're all in the same file, which makes it sort of easier. There it is. So I can preview that. Clicked, I double clicked it. Open. So I need a lighter one for that. You're too much. Can't find the one I wanted. Let's go back to documents. I was looking for that almost. Don't know why I can't find it. Let's try anyone. It's because they're not in the same order, that's why. So let's try something light. Digital water. Open as layers. Not quite as good effect, probably chose the wrong background colour, but there's 246 gradients I've made up, so a lot of messing around, can find different things. Let's try another one. Oh dear, I moved the images around there. Number 10. This looks like a nice one. White, blue in it. So I need a light background. What's winter, I wonder? Let's try that. Maybe. Open as layers. And I need to scale that down. Looking nice, looking quite nice. Let's scale that layer again. And so on and so on. It's quite nice again. Okay, so there it is, a nice kit I've made for Gimp. Plenty of light combinations, 27 lines and 246 gradients I've made up, all named just to make it a bit easier using Gimp. I'm going to leave a link below if you want that. Make a lot of nice images, or you could add more. Or you could add more lines to it, add more images in. Could be other things you could add to these gradients. Lovely gradients, absolutely gorgeous gradients.